Shanghai Ritai Medicine Equipment Project Company Limited, with over 25 years of industry experience, specializes in providing sanitary stainless steel vessels for sectors such as biopharmaceuticals, chemicals, cosmetics, food, energy, and semiconductors. This includes all aspects, from vessel design to manufacturing, as well as the installation and commissioning of valves and piping systems. With exquisite technology and advanced equipment, Shanghai Ritai bases its quality management on ISO 9001 and holds an ASME U stamp, ensuring that our products meet standards like GB, ASME, and PED. The manufacturing process strictly adheres to GMP and FDA regulations, resulting in internationally advanced levels of quality indicators. Our performance, appearance, lifespan, and service have earned a good reputation in the market. As an industry leader, we not only successfully delivered projects to multiple countries, regions around the globe, establishing a solid industry reputation, but also possess a high-quality professional team composed of project managers, design engineers, validation experts, and operational technicians. This team continuously introduces advanced industry concepts and cutting-edge technologies dedicated to providing core equipment, process systems, engineering solutions, modular plants, and digital operation services for the life sciences and biopharmaceutical industries. Through these efforts, Shanghai Ritai ensures the ability to meet our customers' ever-changing needs and continues to drive innovative development in the industry.